I'm Randy Scroback from the YouTube channel Scrow's Nest. And last week I received a little package from Chris and Liz Kowaleski at Carnival Cruise Addicts. And I'm going to now open it up and do the big reveal. So I'll get out my knife. Hopefully I won't cut my fingers off. Never know, I may. Whoa, that one almost slipped. Jeez, glad I'm not a surgeon. Taking forever. I'm breaking into a safe. Okay, here we go. First of all, we'll look at the little stuff. Got a little card from them. And on the back's got their QR code. Got a little magnet. Got a little sticker. And a couple more stickers, different size stickers. And what I figured was in here is a new coffee mug. Oh, look, I also got a koozie. And a note that I will read separately. But a nice mug. I got this because I'm a member of their channel, so consider becoming a member of their channel. Now, I've got Monday covered for coffee. What am I going to do? Oh, I know. Here's Tuesday's cup. Think about being a Patreon on my channel, too. So join Chris and Liz's channel and become a Patreon on my channel, Scrow's Nest. Thank you for watching. Oh, one last thing. Wait, one more. If I don't fall over, check this out, huh?